Hello, mountain bike friends. So I love HDR. I love how the colors are vibrant. It pops out at you. You can see the contrast. If there's shadows, you can see the details. If there's overexposure, you can still see the dirt, the rocks, and so forth. And so I was really excited when GoPro announced HDR for their upcoming GoPro 12 camera. I went ahead and pre-ordered it. But then I noticed some red flags. So for example, the earlier reviewers, a lot of them complained that there was this strict embargo where they couldn't show the footage or compare the footage, certain types of footage. And then after that embargo lifted, I went online, YouTube, uh, searched for HDR videos. I turned the filter on to make sure that it was just only videos with the HDR format, typed in GoPro 12, and nothing would show up. So I did some research, went on Reddit, and I found that GoPro's definition of HDR is not the same thing as, for example, Apple. So I'm recording this video with the iPhone 14, and for those of you that have the HDR capable displays, if you click next to that little cogwheel, check resolution, there should be an HDR written right next to it. And that's my definition of HDR. It changes the brightness of the video in accordance to what's being filmed. So if you're recording a bright sky, that part of your screen will get a lot brighter. And I love that feature. But apparently GoPro, that's not their definition. At least they're probably what their attorneys are saying. So if you upload a video from a GoPro 12 with the right formatting and everything, you will never get that HDR next to the resolution. You won't get that screen brightness that happens with your Apple phone. And if you have a display, you will see that on this video that I'm recording, it is a true HDR format. So essentially, the way I interpreted that is a bait and switch. It is, I guess the definition of HDR is not fully solidified, so legally they could get by doing that without getting sued. But as a consumer, that's not okay with me. I went ahead and canceled my pre-order. I guess I'll just have to keep waiting. If anyone from GoPro is watching this video, listen, like I wouldn't mind paying a little extra for that feature. I mean, it is awesome. I would love to have mountain bike videos where people could see all the little granular details, despite how bright the sun is or where it's shining. I think that would be a true asset. Anyway, I guess I'll just have to keep waiting. I'll see you guys on the trail.